Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your birthday on the Gmail app. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. And by the way, this will work on iPhone and Android, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. All you need to do is open your Gmail app just like this. Once you're on this screen right here, all you need to do is go to the top left corner of your screen and click on those three little like stripes basically. Once you've done that, you can maybe scroll a little bit down and then you will find settings right here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on your name and click on your email right here. And then you simply need to click on your info, privacy and security right here, which will bring you to this page. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on personal info and you then scroll a little bit down till you find basic info, and then right here you have your birthday. Then if you click on it, you will basically be able to change your birthday right here. So for example, I want to change it to maybe February 25th, 2005, for example, just like this. Then all you need to do is click on save, click on confirm, and then you will literally just be able to change your birthday, as you guys can see right there. So that's how you can change your birthday on the Gmail app. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.